This is about beautiful creation with follow me tool in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the circle in here. We can make the circle just like this with any size. Okay, then now we can triple click and move it to the another space. And now we can make the circle again, just a little circle just like this. Then now we can triple click and now we can select the rotate. We can click and hold on the green, and we can rotate 90 degree with the green axis in here. Okay, then now we can click and right click and find center. Now we can select the center with the move tool. Okay, we can select the center with the move tool and move the click in here. Okay, then now we can click and right click and also erase. Okay, then now we can select all. We can right click and select find center in here, so we can find the center node in here. Then now we can select all and move and tap control and just place to the position. Okay, then now we can just rotate this one. We can just rotate it and just click and hold, and we can type 90 degree in here. Okay, it's like this. Then now we can move it up just like this. Then now we can also rotate in here on the red axis. We can rotate 90 degree in here. Okay, and then now we can move and place on the position just like this. Okay, then now we can duplicate again in here. We can select move, type control, click from this center point and place on the center point also. And again we can select this one and move and click on the center point and tap control and place on the center point in here, or okay, we can just place on the position just like this. Okay, then now we can click for every single line in here, every single circle line, and select the follow me and make this one and click and make the follow me. Sorry, I will repeat about the placement. Now we can select move, tap control and just place on the position in here, and again select. Okay, and select move, tap control and just place on the position. Okay, make sure that this is a cross. Okay, and now we can click and select the follow me and make this one, and click this line and select the follow me and make this one and select line, select the follow me tool again and click the surfaces, and again click the circle line and select the follow me tool and click the circle again in here. So this is a beautiful object on the SketchUp with the follow me tool in here. And now we can also change about the background in here. Okay, can change about the background. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit of you, and just wait for my next tutorial.